Galaxy S26 FE just showed up in a real-life video, and there's a lot to like. Samsung hasn't officially announced the Galaxy S26 FE yet, but that hasn't stopped the phone from appearing in a new real-life hands-on video. And this leak gives us a pretty good idea of what Samsung is preparing for its next affordable flagship. The device was spotted by TikTok account at Samsung Central Square, and the unit shown in the video comes in a blue color. But the design isn't even the most exciting part of this leak. What really caught our attention is the software. The Galaxy S26 FE appears to be running One UI 9 based on Android 17 right out of the box. That means Samsung could be bringing its latest software experience to the FE lineup from day one. And it looks like this isn't some stripped down version either. The leaked phone appears to have several newer Galaxy AI features, including photo assist and document scan. But there's one camera feature that really stands out: Horizon Lock. For those who don't know, Horizon Lock is designed to keep your videos properly leveled even when you tilt or rotate the phone while recording. And seeing this feature working on the Galaxy S26 FE suggests that Samsung could be bringing many of its newest One UI 9 features to the FE series as well. As for the hardware, the Galaxy S26 FE is expected to come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display and a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, Samsung is reportedly planning to use the 3nm Exynos 2500 chipset, which could make this a pretty powerful FE phone. But once again, the software is probably the biggest story here. If this leak is accurate, the Galaxy S26 FE could launch with Android 17 and One UI 9, giving users many of the same software features found on Samsung's latest flagship phones. Samsung is currently expected to announce the Galaxy S26 FE around the first week of September, although the exact launch date hasn't been confirmed yet. So, if you want a Galaxy phone that's more affordable but still offers Samsung's latest software and AI features, the S26 FE is definitely one to keep an eye on. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on seeing One UI 9 already running on the Galaxy S26 FE? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.